Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost, myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you Anglo 11 Crud tutorial delete user. So friends, very first I will say thank you for liking my old videos like Anglo 11 Crud tutorial add user, update user and view user. So friends, in this video I will show you delete user. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Anglo 11 updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, here you can see last action icon and that is delete. Now I'm going to delete user with ID 11. See friends, user has been deleted successfully. So friends, look, ID gone. Here is 11 and I'm refreshing it and 11 ID has been gone. Now I will again delete new user. See friends, user has been deleted. User with ID 9 has been gone. Here will be also. Browse gone. So friends, have you seen? Create users is working fine. So friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And friends, if you still have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Friends, again, I will say, please get the source code link from this video description. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.